I want a list of all your machines and what the costs are. Well, goodness gracious, if you want, I've got maybe 300 different SKUs of machines of sizes and options and controls, which one do you want? I kind of get people is if you're just going from a basic top load, which people are phasing away from, $1,800 to machines that are 30,000 plus. So somewhere in there is the answer to a specific size machine with specific controls. I don't think it's the right question in terms of how much does it cost. What is the project cost in total? Because really what you're driving to is what is the budget to build a laundry or to rehab it, and what revenue am I going to get from that? And what kind of money am I going to make? And that's really the question, because you're saying, I've got a limitation of what I can spend. Understand that, we all do. Is that limit proper to you really you've got all these small machines. I just got done telling you earlier that these 80 and 100 pound machines are what you need. Instead of buying 4 more of those, let's buy 2 of these. And if you need help financing the rest, based on the revenue we're going to produce, then we can make it work for you. When we're designing a new laundry is where I can put that extra capability in. So I build a bulkhead, a row of washers, maybe even some areas for dryers that we would put the utilities in, but not put the machines in. So we blanket out for planned future expansion. Makes a lot of sense on a new laundry is one, you can put those additional investments in a year or 2 years, 3 years later, and then you get that depreciation from that purchase instead of just the one-time purchase. And it's also the cost to do that is not that much more to plan for it. Now, after it's built and the utilities are set, then it gets a lot more expensive to be able to grow or to change over. Going from smaller machines to bigger machines, we do that a lot. We're able to figure out, hey, we can move things around, move different machines, pull them out, find a space for them to put in larger machines. We can do that pretty effectively. But again, it kind of depends on space and it depends on utilities.